Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will share to you how to remove original sound on videos TikTok. Okay, the first you must open the TikTok and then we tap this, the plus, and we tap upload, and we must choose the videos we want to upload to our TikTok account. And please wait with this process. And after this, on this videos, in here there is volume, and we can click the volume. In here there is original sound and add sound. We can click original sound. We scroll until 0%. After that we click done and finish. If you want to add the sound with the favorite sound on other sound, we can choose sound, and then we search the sound. We can search the sound what we want, or we can look for the sound at here. There is TikTok viral, playlist, and new release. We can choose what we want at here. Example, we will take the sound of Toik Mana. We can click and tap this, and the volume we can set. We want additional sound, we active, and original sound we choose 0. Okay, after that we can click next, and we can pause the videos. That's all the tutorial how to remove the original sound on TikTok videos, and see you in the next video.